Welcome back to CarWow 787, the place where diesel power meets real-world performance. If you're passionate about big rigs and the engines that drive them, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into two of Caterpillar's most iconic engines, the CAT 3406 and the CAT C15 ACERT. Whether you're a seasoned trucker, a fleet manager, or just an engine enthusiast, this comparison will give you insights into these powerhouses. Introduction to the CAT 3406. The CAT 3406 series has been a staple in the trucking industry for decades. Introduced in the 1970s, this engine quickly gained a reputation for its durability and reliability. Over the years, it evolved through several iterations, the 3406-8B, C, and E models. 3406A, the original model, known for its mechanical simplicity and robustness. 3406B, introduced improvements in fuel efficiency and emissions. 3406C, further enhancements in performance and reliability. 3406E, the first electronic version, offering better diagnostics and control. The 3406E, in particular, became a favorite among owner-operators for its balance of power and simplicity. The CAT C15 ACERT engine was introduced in the early 2000s as a response to stricter emissions regulations. ACERT stands for Advanced Combustion Emissions Reduction Technology. This technology aimed to reduce emissions without sacrificing performance. The C15 ACERT features advanced electronics, twin turbochargers, and a more complex emissions system. While it offers improved environmental performance, it also introduced new maintenance considerations. CAT 3406E ranged from 435 to 550 HP. CAT C15 ACERT offered between 435 to 625 HP. CAT 3406E up to 1,850 pounds FT. CAT C15 ACERT up to 2,050 pounds FT. While the C15 ACERT provides higher power and torque, it's essential to consider the trade-offs in terms of complexity and maintenance. The CAT 3406E is known for its straightforward design, which often translates to consistent fuel efficiency, especially when well-maintained. The C15 ACERT, with its advanced emissions systems, can offer improved fuel efficiency under specific conditions. However, the added complexity means that maintenance and operating conditions play a significant role in actual fuel consumption. The 3406E's mechanical simplicity makes it easier and more cost-effective to maintain. Parts are widely available, and many mechanics are familiar with its design. The C15 ACERT, while offering advanced features, requires specialized knowledge for maintenance. Its twin turbos and emissions systems can be points of failure if not properly maintained. The primary advantage of the C15 ACERT is its compliance with stricter emissions standards. For fleets operating in regions with stringent environmental regulations, this engine is often a necessity. The 3406E, being an older model, doesn't meet modern emission standards without significant modifications. CAT 3406E, generally more affordable due to its age and availability. CAT C15 ACERT, higher initial cost, but may be offset by compliance benefits. Lower maintenance costs due to simpler design. CAT C15 ACERT, potentially higher maintenance costs due to complexity. User experiences. Many seasoned truckers appreciate the 3406E for its reliability and ease of maintenance. It's often described as a workhorse that, when properly cared for, can run for over 1 million miles. The C15 ACERT receives mixed reviews. Some operators praise its power and emissions compliance, while others express concerns about maintenance challenges and costs. Choose the CAT 3406E if you prioritize simplicity and ease of maintenance. You're operating in regions without strict emissions regulations. You value a proven track record of reliability. Choose the CAT C15 ACERT if you need to comply with modern emissions standards. You're looking for higher horsepower and torque. You're prepared for the maintenance requirements of advanced systems. Both the CAT 3406E and the CAT C15 ACERT have their strengths and considerations. Your choice depends on your specific needs, operating conditions, and maintenance capabilities. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into these two remarkable engines. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep those engines running strong.